Good evening. My name is Aaron Disman, and I'm looking forward to sharing my Capstone project and its findings with you. The evaluation question that my report seeks to answer is, do scheduled component overhaul programs improve the reliability of the components being overhauled? While many industries perform component overhaul programs and are concerned with reliability, I'll be focusing on rail transportation, and specifically Los Angeles Metro, where I work for the Transit Vehicle Engineering Department. Rail maintenance departments overhaul rail vehicle components to maintain vehicle reliability and availability. Component overhaul is the performance of heavy maintenance on a component and is commonly performed according to the original equipment manufacturer's recommended procedure and schedule. The component overhaul process is intended to take a good working component and refurbish it to function and perform like new to reduce the risk of unplanned failure. The OEM develops a procedure and schedule based on the expected failure of known wear items within the component design. Utilizing a combination of Metro's maintenance database and manually managed Excel spreadsheets, I tabulated all failures related to the coupler and friction brake system for a period of 2 years prior to the most recent overhaul and 2 years following the overhaul. Metro records failures along with the date and odometer reading on what's called a corrective work order. Utilizing this information, I calculated the average reliability by dividing the total miles traveled for each fleet by the total number of corrective work orders or failures for the given period. As defined in Table 1 on top, the average coupler reliability improved by 46% following overhaul. However, when looking at the fleets individually, you'll see that while the P2550 and A650 reliability improved, the P2000 reliability decreased. A somewhat similar scenario unfolded when evaluating the friction brake reliability. As shown in Table 2 below, it improved 90% on average, but individually, only the P2000 reliability improved while the A650 and P2550 decreased. I was quite surprised by the findings as I had expected a definitive improvement in reliability. Instead, the findings do not clearly indicate an improvement. Again, on average, reliability improved following overhaul for both the coupler and friction brake systems. However, when viewed individually, only half of the overhaul programs resulted in improved reliability. Despite the lack of clarity from the evaluation findings, it's clear that component overhaul can have a positive impact on reliability, but there is also room for improvement. As alluded to earlier, component overhaul programs are forms of scheduled maintenance. There are two other common maintenance philosophies: reliability-centered maintenance and condition-based maintenance. Either practice could be implemented to complement the standard schedule-based component overhaul to help identify new or different parts to be included in the overhaul program. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.